And DD India correspondent Meghna Dev now joins us from Gujarat. She'd earlier visited Mehsana, the ancestral village of Sunita Williams. Meghna, you were at Sunita Williams' ancestral village. How is her homecoming being celebrated?
Shubhendu, definitely it was a very long night and day of celebrations at the Julasan village in the Mehsana district of Gujarat. This district is her ancestral, it's her paternal village where she has also visited in 2007 and 2013. And what we were told by the villagers is that they were sitting, glued to the television screen since 2:30 a.m. in the morning to praying for her safe return on earth. And what they were really relieved and joyed when they saw those images, those videos of her coming out of that capsule and where she was taken away in a on a stretcher. They were definitely overjoyed that she has finally safely returned. Now definitely since morning there were celebrations in the village, there were firecrackers, there were it was a festive celebration just like Holi and Diwali. The villagers were celebrating. We did also visit her ancestral home, which is in a dilapidated condition because nobody lives there since a long time, but that house of hers, her ancestral house, is still there in the Julasan village. And there are many people of her community and also who were related to her father and grandfather who are remembering the days when she was a child and she had come taking a camel ride around the village. So that's what people are, and not only that, people are also expecting that once her medical evaluation is done, once her medical evaluation gets completed, she will come to visit the place and visit the temple wherein there were prayers going on since past 9 months for her safe return. There was an oil lamp continuously burning for the past 9 months to pray for her safe return on earth. So this is what is the emotion. People call her the daughter of Julasan. So definitely that kind of emotion was very evident here. And now when Sunita Williams has safely returned, definitely her medical evaluation will take place because of the prolonged exposure to microgravity. There are be it body fluids, be it bone density, muscle mass, and lot of things to be evaluated in the next more than a month, in the next 30 to 45 days, after which she will be able to resume back to her normal life.
Right, Meghna. Perhaps a little more on her Indian roots. Also in the visuals we could see a lot of young students. Did you meet young boys and girls who would like to follow on the footsteps of Sunita Williams in the days ahead?
So, very interestingly, it's not just Sunita Williams who has, brought accolades to the Julasan village, but her father and her grandmother and grandfather were also very interested in this, were also very interested to bring up education for the villagers there and for the youngsters there. So there's a library in the Julasan village in a grandmother's name, and which is there still there and it's running. And we also see huge pictures of Sunita Williams and big frames of her put up in the primary schools in Julasan. So that's the impact. And obviously her father was a very well-renowned world-renowned neurologist. So that sums up of her kind of lineage of how much they were dedicated to the education sector and how much interest they had in specifically the STEM sector. And that's what whenever what people tell us, and the people who were related to her, who are related to her, tell us that her father was also very much attached to development of the village, and he used to speak to the people there in the village as well. So this is the kind of roots that are still there, and they are expecting that if she comes back, she will visit the temple of the goddess Dola Mata, which is the village goddess of Julasan.
Right, it seems a legacy of great achievement runs in the family. Meghna, thank you very much for joining us with those updates.